Yeah. Where's my bunny rabbit? Hi, honey. Oh.
What's your problem? Will you square up with me?
Did he do it? She's writing a comment.
She's writing the N-word.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl.
Trying to get a fucking drink. Dipshit. Dipshit. Dipshit sitting in the middle of the fucking floor. I went to the kitchen, I want a drink.
Parker, Daddy just wants to put his arm on me. Parks, he can put his arm on me.
Dale, gato, mandale. ¿A quién le decís? Oh, te la reí, gato. Dale, vení, mandale. Dale, compa, dale. Está lleno de miedo, compa. Oh,
Peggy.
You know, I went to Aldi and they had whiny babies on sale. Didn't I? It was a good deal.
Get it.
I know you guys all want an update on macaroni and cheese. They are good. Cheese is actually Cheese is actually at home with her dad. Ow!
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Sir.
What are you doing? Are you stuck?
Flecker shakers. Booty flaker shakers. Booty flaker shakers.
If you hate cats, please keep it to yourself, because I don't give a fuck about your terrible taste in pets.
Heard banging. I was wondering what the hell that sound was. Found out what it was.
He's on my bed. I don't know if you guys can see him. Hi there. Hi there, Steve.
Every 3 months, the police would come, and all the hostesses who didn't have visas would have to go out the back door.
Вот чем заняты наши...
What are you doing? Wow. You've been watching the birds? Yeah, wow.
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Hey.
You're lying. Yes, you were. You don't need to go potty. You were just outside. Do you need to?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Abby!
He's fighting back. They're right above us, folks. And I don't like it a damn bit. Oh, my God. Look out. Good God Almighty! Good God Almighty! They killed
Lily. Since before they were eggs.
I'm trying to help you, okay?
Spink. What do you want? I don't know.
Pet him.
No, Bracey's gonna attack me.
You okay?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Alf, do you like making TikToks with me, boy? You're just a little loafy loaf.
Boomer.
No. Edwin, there's a turd. No!
Like, how am I supposed to move, though? My arm is falling asleep.
What the fuck?
Just imagine the song, In the Arms of an Angel. Because he hasn't had food since 10 o'clock this morning.
What is it? What? You can't get up here. Daddy'd get mad. Daddy get mad at you if you get up here. No.
Alright, let's go. You're taking this one off the bed, but...
Oh no. Someone ate the wings. Who was it?
No, you filthy, dirty little bastard. No.
You're so evil.
Lotto, stop! Bro, hold the fuck up. What the fuck? Oh my god. You'll
Good howl.
Don't. I said don't. Ow! Ow! Don't. Oh!
What in the world are you doing? Hey.
Look at these two.
I have to go. But we are back. I'll be back, Sal, okay? Suéltalo. Suéltalo. Vente.
Давай я ее включаю. Прям капельку, Аня. Не обрызгай.
Go potty. Oh, God. Are you? Oh, it's slippery.
Get a pup, they say. Get a fucking pup, they say, for emotional support. This dog ain't did nothing but stress me the fuck out since she done came here. You are stressful.
Oh my god.
Go ahead. Stick him up.
Do you want some pasta? Some pasta? Really? What is this called?
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. Do you have any idea?
I only rolled a 6, guys.
Cersei?
What?
Stop! Babe, stop!
Boys? Do you boys want some treats? Yes?
Sit, relax. Relax. Can I do it? Please? One time.
Get out. Get the hell out of my house. And
Okay, sit. Give me your paw. Paw. Good boy. Now bang.
I didn't.
Get out of my... Get out of my... Get...
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Oh, he's attacking her! Help her! It's a giant fudgesicle. Oh!
No. Stop. Stop. Get the fuck out.
Hey!
No, más no le hagas así.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! You motherfucker! He grabbed that shit so quick. You
Just smack him. What are you
Hmm? What the fuck was that?
Slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! KO! Here's the cover. Hook of the line. And the legend killer picks up.
You okay?
You're a nut.
Oh dear. No, I don't like that. Climb across. Nailed it. It's our new system.
Hey!
Cuando el chisme está bueno y no te lo puedes perder.
Alright, since y'all love Gus, he smiles all the time. Hi. I love you. Happy smiles.
Louie, why do you have a roll of toilet paper? Why? Where'd you get that? Come here. Oh my God. Why?
Hey, get out the trash can. What are you doing in there? Why are you in the trash can? Get out. No. Stop. 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 No. 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 Bad cat. What are you doing?
Oh. Winston Bishop! Are you kidding me? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Get it.
I know why it's from the panda.
You got up there. You got to figure out how to get down.
Come on, dog! Now! Right fucking now!
Two of you are fucking ridiculous.
Good morning.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
No, ven, no. No.
To give you a quick update, Kai is a big humper. He's overstimulated, literally humping everyone. And a lot of
I got that on video.
Wait, where's Jonathan now? I didn't even realise this is just fully real. What happened to the parents?
Bulldog mukbang.
Yeah, she does it with her band, or she does it with Danny. Like sometimes Danny would comes out and sings it with her. Bono's been out and sung it with her. And,
You crazy dog.
I'm gonna give you a treat. Okay.
Get him. Tell him. Tell him.
You guys are so cute. You want treats? Oh. There she goes.
Y'all, this is what I gotta deal with. Leave the pee pads alone. What is your problem? Leave it alone. What is
Dexter. 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 That's an inside bed.
This little guy keeps biting my phone and my fingers. You know what that means. Microwave.
Hey, who is this?
Nola, why is your arm around his neck?
I'm not going outside. I'm gonna run right here. I know.
Excuse me, it's been about 5 minutes since I've last gotten attention.
gosh!
I would like some more.
Bro, what the fuck? Stop biting me! Ah! Stop! What the fuck?
Купили корзинку на велосипед. Думала картошку возить, а придется кексика возить. Лянь, как он хороший.
Anymore. It could be Stone Cold Stunner time. Be careful, Kurt. He's gonna stun you. Angle's out of it. No, look. Angle blocked off.
No. Dar coca de nuevo.
Dile otra
Te
vez.
voy a dar tu coca, ¿eh? Te la voy a abrir.
¡Ay, la amo! You're in my spot. You don't care?
Here we fucking go again. I mean, good morning.